I'm Aaron at One Maybe Two Retro. Here's another ASMR video. If you like just watching people doing really slow, mundane things, I'm keeping this post. I'm going to put it back inside this broken keyboard that somebody tried to repair and didn't put back together properly. Goofballs. And this is a parts keyboard, so I'm not worried about it, but I want to keep the screws and the parts. And you know what? I got the great idea. This will save me time and energy in the future. If it's a parts keyboard, why the heck not just put in a few of the screws, bag the rest, and tape them to the underside and leave it like that. Well, maybe I should, or maybe I shouldn't. The thing is, well, what am I going to use this keyboard for? Like, we know the shift lock barely works. Cold solder joints. We could temporarily fix that and could become a test keyboard. Oh, what to do? There's a reason why all these screws are here, and that's to evenly distribute the pressure of smashing on the keys during video games. I guess. Oh, I don't know. You know, by the time I'm done talking here, this will no longer be an ASMR video. So here we go. Just watch me rebuild this keyboard. Bit by bit by bit. I'm going to stop that recording. Don't need to record that. ASMR video. Bit by bit. Keyboard gets put back together. Bit by bit. I hope there's no other broken keys on any other keyboard. I'm ruining this for everyone. All right. Yeah, still recording. Okay. We are done. Broken keyboard reassembled. Not going to fix the shift lock. Don't know what's going on the restore key. That's probably a capacitor. All screws inserted and accounted for. But this tells me an error in another. Thanks for joining me at One Maybe Two Retro. Cheers. Okay, donor board. Thank you very much for your service. Yeah, we'll put the broken key in it so that at least somebody can type. And in comes. So yeah, so this is they never resoldered these, which is really too bad. Huh. Well, I'm hoping because the key. Sorry, they never resoldered these. I'm hoping that because the key that we're replacing is right here on the other side, we're going to be in really good shape to just kind of lift and squeeze the replacement post in there without having to do too much else. But now, yeah, I don't have to worry about making the decision to replace this yet. See, this is the good case, the good keyboard, but only one key missing. So let's put that back there. Good case. Not so good case. Put that over here with its buddy. All right. Bag keys over here. We want to open this up. Okay, I'm just going to do this. I really don't want to desolder these. I don't want to desolder this. It looks like it's never been entered, and that's good. And survey says more screws. In fact, I now understand the cellophane tape had been accessed. There's holes in it. This one doesn't have any holes in it, so nobody, I can pretty much say nobody's been into this board to do anything. The solder joints look really clean and factory on the shift lock. So, guessing nobody's been into this board. But this is the board that has a broken key and a broken post. Actually, the key was fine. No, the key was missing. Broken post, which, you know, the post and the key cap make a key. All right, let's see here. No. I have to lift this very gently. Yeah, I know, I got 3 more screws over here. Just going to go right through this, like so. Try not, oh, maybe this one I'll do this. Oh, such a pain. This one I'm going to go right through. There we go. Now, very gently, lift up. Which one's the broken one? That's the broken one. Oh yeah, I think I can do this. Oh, you guys aren't going to be... Oh, maybe you can see it with this camera over here. Let's see. Yeah. If I do this, see, I can get at that key, no problem. All right. There we go. Broken key out. Key post, pardon me. New key post in, I think. There we go. Good. Our joints are still good there. I'm just going to flip this over. I think that feels about right. Let's put our cursor key on here. Yeah. Nope. That's not right. Something's wrong there. What's wrong? Why is that so low? I know why that's so low. Dope! The spring that I took out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see. Well, we're going to worry about that after I get this thing reassembled. Why is it not working, Aaron? Because I took it out with the spring. Oh boy. Learning curves, aren't they wonderful? What can I say? As I said, this is my journey, and you're joining me on it, and you're going to enjoy it. Maybe. Oh, I can't. Anyways, this stuff I'm going to fast forward through unless I say something really smart and funny, at which point I will cut it out and put it in the outtakes. Okay, so we have a good keyboard now. We're pretty close to it. The next thing we need to do is, I mean, I could risk pulling this. Whoa, take it easy, Aaron. All I wanted to do was look at the bottom. Okay. You know, screwing over here. From way over here. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just pulling screws from everywhere. It doesn't matter to me anymore. They're the same size. I'm very happy I did not have to desolder these. There is a little flexibility in them, which is nice. All right, almost there. I will dare say more than halfway now. Can't grab the screws anymore. This one's a weird one. That's good enough. Let's just make sure we... okay. 6 more. So yeah, when pulling springs, pulling keys. Lessons learned. I'll do that again when I get past this moment, because I like to fast forward these parts for you guys, because you don't want to hear me babbling on like this. There we go. Ta-da! I missed one. Right there. Might mean there's a spare. Ta-da! Okay,